After months of anticipation and endless rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here, and today, we're diving deep into what makes this phone stand out. From its groundbreaking design to its powerhouse specs, there's a lot to unpack. So, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the only bit of disappointing news. According to reliable sources like Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, supported by 45W fast charging. Yes, this is the same setup we've seen in the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. While it's a bit underwhelming not to see an upgrade here, Samsung's focus seems to be on maintaining consistent, reliable battery life rather than pushing the envelope. And while 45W fast charging might not be revolutionary, it's more than capable of keeping your device powered throughout the day. But before we dive deeper, let's take a quick break to thank our sponsor for today's video. Sponsor name. If you're looking for a portable power solution that outperforms, check out the next 12,000 mAh 100W power bank. This slim yet powerful device can charge your Galaxy S25 Ultra up to 26% in just 30 minutes, keeping you powered up on the go. With built-in thermal guards and multiple layers of protection, it's the perfect companion for your tech. Grab yours today by clicking the link in the description. Now, let's get back to the S25 Ultra. One of the most talked about aspects of this device has been its design. Earlier rumors suggested that Samsung was working on 4 different prototypes, but Ice Universe recently debunked these claims, giving us a fresh look at what the final design will likely be. The S25 Ultra is set to feature a more curved design, reminiscent of the Note 7. This is a significant shift from the aggressive, sharp corners of the S24 Ultra, and it's bound to be divisive. Some will love the sleek, ergonomic feel, while others may miss the bolder look of its predecessor. Personally, I'm on the fence, but what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to sport a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED display. Samsung is promising improvements in brightness, color accuracy, and overall visual quality. While the resolution remains at 1440 x 3120, the display is likely to feature HDR10+ and possibly an M14 OLED panel, similar to what we're hearing about the iPhone 16. And here's the kicker: there are strong rumors suggesting an under-display selfie camera, a first for the S series. If this pans out, it could truly set the S25 Ultra apart from the competition, offering an uninterrupted, full-screen experience. Next up, let's talk cameras. Samsung has always pushed the boundaries with their camera tech, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. We're looking at a 200MP primary sensor, but this time with potential upgrades in sensor size and technology. The quad camera setup will include wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, though the exact sensor details are still under wraps. There's also talk of dual 50MP telephoto sensors, which could bring even more versatility to your shots. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a serious contender. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor in all regions. This is paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the S25 Ultra is more than capable of handling anything you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing, this phone promises to deliver a smooth and responsive experience. And with One UI 7 based on Android 15, you'll have access to all the latest features and improvements from both Samsung and Google. Speaking of software, AI continues to be a major focus for Samsung, especially with their ongoing partnership with Google. We can expect to see some impressive AI-driven features in the S25 Ultra, from camera enhancements to smart battery management. While details are still sparse, Samsung is clearly positioning the S25 Ultra as not just a hardware beast but a smart, intuitive device that adapts to your needs. So, how much will all this cost you? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch at around $1,300 in January 2025. Given the premium features and cutting-edge tech, it's a price point that feels justified. However, if you're currently rocking the S24 Ultra, you might not feel the need to rush to upgrade. But for those of you with older models or looking to make the jump to the S series, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a fantastic option. As we inch closer to the official launch, more details will undoubtedly emerge, and I'll be here to bring you the latest updates. So, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.